Hello and welcome to Best of Tutorials. My name is Amar, and in today's video I would like to show you how to change a mechanical drive to a solid state drive, or to change a mechanical drive to any type of a drive really. In my previous video I showed you how to prepare a Windows 10 USB flash drive to boot from so you can install the operating system. I will leave the link below because in my next video I will install Windows 10 on this device. To start with, I need some tools. So first I need a big screwdriver, this one to open the PC itself, the cover on the PC. I need a smaller screwdriver to be able to use to screw the screws for the drive. And then I have this type of mount. This is for solid state or 2.5 inch. If you want to mount them on a 3.5, if you're doing this on a laptop, you will not need this part. The screws that comes with it, and of course you need a solid state drive. Now for this client, he just have the operating system, Windows operating system, and he has the Office programs. So really not needed for a bigger drive. 120 gig is okay. Okay, so I'll take the bigger screwdriver here, and then I will just untighten the screwdriver. This one. And once you do that, you will pull the cover like that. Okay, so we have the CG drive here, and we have the hard drive inside. To remove this, all what you need to do is to pull it and put it on the side. Now this one has a latch here, so you need to push and then it opens, and then you need to unplug the wire. Let's say the wire here. Once you do that, it's out. You can take this whole thing here. This is the old drive, so I will take it like that here. This is the old drive. Usually I will label it where I got it from and how long to keep it. We keep the drive for 3 years if it's for business. If it's financial related or a server, we do keep it for 5 years. Okay, so I'll take it. It's empty now. On the side. So I will put this in here basically. So what I'll need to do here is to have the solid state mounted, and the heads here should be to the head of this, so you can put the cables. And of course you need to align the screws, so you can put the screws here. And then I'll use a screwdriver to screw them. It's hard to record and do this. The second one. Don't force it because it might break the plastic. And this is the last one. Okay, now we're done with this. So this is to the side here. So what we do, we put these into this first, and then we pull this a little bit and pull this a little bit. Now it's here. Now I push this inside of this. Like so. I will need to put the wires from underneath. So first I need to put this back into place. that. Then I will need to pass the wire and plug it in like that. Slightly hard because it's tiny. And then the SATA one. That's it. Once we put this, you do this, lock the latch, you take the CD drive, put it in its place, and then push it. Once it's properly in its place, you're good. And you put the cover back, and once you do that, you slide it. You do this with your hand a little bit, and use a screwdriver to tighten it a little bit, just a little bit. We're done. Anyways, so thank you for watching. I hope this video was very helpful for you. In my next video, I will install Windows 10 Pro, in this case, Windows 10 Pro on this machine. So keep watching. I will leave some comments below how to install and how to download Windows 10 on your USB drive. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video if this was helpful, and also comment below if you do have questions or if you have any suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.